Today we're going to do a bit of a review. If you look at this graph, you can see that it looks like something we have already looked at just a couple of weeks ago. This was our x-axis. This is our y-axis. Here's all the lines they plotted. It's a line turned into a line graph. What they're graphing here is the weekly height of a plant. So as you can see, for week 1, it's at 20 centimeters. Week 2, it's at about 40. Week 3 is just below the 60, so about 59 centimeters. Week 4 is just above 80, so maybe 81, 82 centimeters. Week 5, about 90 centimeters, and week 6 is about 110 centimeters. So we can tell that with each week, the plant keeps getting bigger and bigger. If I were to answer some of these questions, for example, it says, how many centimeters did the plant grow in the first 3 weeks? So week 1, week 2, week 3, maybe around 60 centimeters. This answer is the closest to 60, so this would be my answer. This question says, between which 2 weeks did the plant grow the least? Can you tell between which 2 weeks it grew the least or the smallest? I hope you're noticing that this line is very short. Between week 4 and week 5, it looks like it grew the least right in here. So that would be my answer, would be C. So let's look at today's assignment. Today's assignment looks like this. You are going to have to graph this information. This will be your x-axis. This will be your y-axis. So for example, 130. Here's 1. Here's 30. So my very, very first plot goes right there. Then I have 235. 2, right over here is 35. I need to plot that. Then 3, 38, just before you get to the 40. So you need to plot each of the coordinates, okay? And then connect the lines and turn it into a line graph. Make sure you put lines between each of your points. Once you have your graph complete, then you can answer some of these questions. Write the ordered pairs for each point. So for example, the first point is 130. The next one will be 235. So make sure you write all the ordered pairs. What does the ordered pair 338 tell you? 338. Well, it should tell you that he was 3 years old and 38 inches tall. And C, it says, why would the point 642 be nonsense? Meaning, why does that doesn't make any sense whatsoever? 642. Let's look at that. If I had 642, so 6 years old and then 42 centimeters, think about that for a minute. Why would that not make any sense? Hopefully that's glaringly obvious to you. You're going to do the same thing down here with this graph. You're going to turn this into a line graph. Write the ordered pairs. Well, your first ordered pair would be 5, 1. Day 5, height 1 centimeter. So I would plot that. 5, 1 might be right about here. 310. So then I would go to, 10-3. Not 310, 10-3. So then I would go to day 10, and then I would go up to about 3, which would be about here. 15-8. 15, go up to about 8, and so on. So this would be your x-axis. This would be your y-axis, as you can see right down here. So make sure you plot those. So the very first ordered pair would be 5, 1, then 10, 3, then 15, 8, and so on. Then try to answer the next question. This is pretty easy. You're just turning this information into a line graph. This information into a line graph. And these questions should be really easy to answer. So this is sort of a review. Good luck!